Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look for Valentine's Day. It's very easy and simple, and I've used some of my favorite makeup products, and I also have a new eyeshadow primer that I really like and I wanna share everything with you. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. For my foundation, I'm going to use this Luminous Silk by Giorgio Armani. I have this foundation in the shade number 2. I have a lot of breakouts right now, but this foundation has a pretty nice coverage, so I'm going to use it today, maybe layer it a little bit. So I'm going to apply it with this multitask brush by Real Techniques, and then I will go over with my sponge to press the foundation into my skin. I really like this foundation. I've used this many times here on my channel. My skin look pretty nice up close when I wear this, and I have to say that I am very surprised that this one is very long lasting, and also you could layer this without any problems. For my concealer today, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. This is the self-setting version. I have the concealer in the shade 20. You could let the concealer like this, but I like to set my concealer every time. So to set the concealer, I'm going to use this MAC Prep and Prime powder. I really love this powder. I don't have much left, so I definitely need another one. It's great to set your concealer and your foundation, so I really like it. As you can see, I like to use my foundation brush to set my concealer. It has the perfect shape for this, for my eye shape at least. Next I'll move on to blush, and for today I'm going to use this NARS liquid blush. I really like this formula. It's a long-lasting blush. You don't need much. I just like to apply a little bit on the back of my hand, like this. And then I'll get my brush and blend this on the back of my hand and apply it on my face. I've used a little bit too much, but no problem, because I'm going to use my beauty blender with whatever's left from my foundation and go over the edges. And now I will set my skin by using this powder again. In my last video, I've used this bronzer for the first time. This is Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Radiant Bronze Light by Hourglass. I've used this bronzer for the first time in my last video, and I promised you to give you a little update about the wear of this bronzer, and I have to say that this one look amazing all day long. So I'm going to use it again today, but if you want to see a first impression for this product, I recommend you to check my last video. And to finish with my skin, I'm going to apply a highlighter, and I really like this e.l.f. baked highlighter. I forgot to mention this shade. I have this baked highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls. This highlighter is gorgeous, has a very pretty finish, and the pigment is very fine, doesn't have chunky glitters in it. Next I'll move on to my eyes. And for today's video I want to talk about my new favorite eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to use it for the first time today on my channel, but I want to mention that I've been using this product in the last weeks, and I want to tell you more about it and why it's my number one at the moment. So my new favorite eyeshadow primer is this Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Amplifying Eye Primer. I have very oily eyelids and I really need an eyeshadow primer so my eyeshadow will hold well throughout the day. And I've mentioned before that my favorite eyeshadow primer of all times is this eyeshadow primer Potion by Urban Decay. I've used this one many years and it's very good. But after using this eye primer by Fenty Beauty, I have to say that my eyeshadow look more amazing all day with this eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to use this today. On this eye I'm going to use this by Fenty Beauty and the Urban Decay on this eye. This is how the Fenty Beauty look, and this is the Urban Decay one. I've swatched these two on the back of my hand. Here is the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and here is the Fenty Beauty Eye Primer. Here is the Urban Decay one. Here I will apply the Fenty one. As you can see, they have a clear finish. They are not supposed to cover anything. The Urban Decay one is very comfortable on the eyelids. It's not tacky and dry down very fast. When this by Fenty Beauty, it's a little bit tacky and has a little bit of a grip. I think that's why this helps the eyeshadow stay put all day. I always like to set my eyeshadow primer because it will be much easier to blend the shadow on my eyes. So I've just used a little bit of this powder. This is what I was testing in the last weeks. I was testing this and this, and I have to say, because I am a big fan of eyeshadow primer, this by Fenty Beauty really helps my eyeshadow last longer. So I will move on and apply my eyeshadow. And as my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this NATASHA DENONA Mini Nude palette. I have this eyeshadow for so long. These shadows are very well loved. So I'm going to start by applying this all over the eyelid and also on the lower lash line. Next I will take this color and apply it here. I will take this color and put this on my inner corners and here on the lower lash line. So I've started with this shade and apply it all over the eyelid, and then I went over with this one on the outer part of the eye, on the lower and the upper lash line, and I've also used this one on my crease. And next I will use this Glide On Eye Pencil by Urban Decay. So I just do something like this, not very precise, and then I will take an angled brush like this and perfect my liner. So these are my eyes with this eye pencil on. This is very long lasting and waterproof, and I need a new one because that's how much I have left. And to finish with this eye look, I'm going to apply mascara, and for my mascara I'm going to use this Big by Definition mascara by Sephora. This is my new favorite mascara at the moment, so I'm going to apply this off camera and I'll be right back. I really love this mascara. As you can see, makes my lashes look amazing. I don't like to use false lashes, so I'm really on a hunt for a good mascara that have the same effect. And to finish with this look, I'm going to apply something on my lips. For my lip liner, I'm going to use this Lipstick Queen in the shade Nude. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use this Cream Lip Stain by Sephora. This is in the shade 01. I'm going to apply these two and see how they look. This lip liner is very good. I've used this before and I have to say that it's also long lasting. And I will go with this Cream Lip Stain by Sephora in the shade 01 on top of the lip liner. So if you make a mistake with this one, it's very hard to remove, but other than that, it's a gorgeous color and I think it's very pretty for a night out. But I will try to find a good red lipstick that it's easy to apply and also is long lasting. So stay tuned for that. But this is the finished makeup look. Please let me know if you like this look and if you like the makeup products used today. I've just wanted to do a very easy and sexy Valentine's Day look and share with you my new favorite eyeshadow primer, because I love a good eyeshadow primer and I think you will love this one too. So that's it for today. I really hope that this video was helpful and I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!